Lovingly maintained by longtime owners, this charmer is ready for the next lucky owner. Features include new roof 2013, new HVAC 2008, water heater 2009, vinyl replacement windows, beautiful hardwood flooring, open living area, main level owner's suite and much more. Steps to Jefferson Middle School and near Greenway walking trails to the Oak Ridge Marina. Cine breakfast area has a door to the side deck. Bedroom 4 is near the owner's suite and would be a great nursery or office. Upper level is 2 spacious bedrooms with large closets and a full bath. Lower level offers a recently completed 30 by 19 rec room, storage area, half bath and door to the level, beautifully landscaped backyard. See pictures for the rest of the story.